see how we alone. Look how hard we try, nobody here we cry. Them not care for you for we alone. Been through the storm when the rain is on. We saw no one. We alone, yeah. We alone, we alone.
Feel safe talking to that person.
So guys, I am so tired right now, okay? Let me tell you how my week has been. I worked 6 days out of 7. Mind you, I do 12-hour shifts. Okay? I do 12-hour shifts. We're really short where we are, you know, so whatever. Anyways, I've learned a lesson that doing 6 12-hour shifts is just way too much, especially when you have a family. So moving forward, I know what I gotta do. Anyways, right now I'm in an orientation. And it's for 8 hours. An orientation on Zoom, that's for 8 hours. I'm so tired. Like, I thought today was gonna be my day to sleep. Phone reminded me that I had a Zoom meeting. I can't right now. Like, my eyes are burning and I just can't wait for this to be done so I can go to sleep. It's a brand new day. I need to, so now that I'm working and I'm doing 12-hour shifts, I officially have to be on top of my game. Meaning, if I want to upload these vlogs for you guys, I got to have a schedule. I have to have a schedule, because without a schedule right now, there's no consistency. So I need to figure out my days on when I can upload, and I need to use my off days to like edit and do what I gotta do. So I need to get a calendar so that I can organize myself properly, especially if I'm trying to keep up with my YouTube, because that's something that I don't want to just fall like that. But work life with a nurse and YouTube, I'm gonna have to learn how to balance. Plus having like my family and stuff like that, I'm gonna have to learn how to balance to get everything in order and all that stuff. I'm actually about to order some food off Uber Eats. I'm just debating on what I want. I was gonna go outside and get something, but because I'm on the Zoom call and I don't even know how long our lunch is, I'm like, let me order something off Uber Eats. I just don't know what I'm feeling for. But yeah, I just need something to munch on right now. I was thinking of getting McDonald's breakfast or Subway, but actually I think I'm gonna get Subway and just call it a day until I go on the road, because I'm gonna be making something to cook today, because I have, actually my day's off tomorrow. See, yo, I'm here sitting here thinking I have, sorry, I'm just trying to make sure that I'm not missing anything. Sorry, yeah, I'm gonna order something and pay attention to this, because it is some information that I will need for work and stuff like that. So I just want to check in with you guys and start off the vlog. It's a brand new day. I hope everyone's good. I know I kind of uploaded my New Year's vlog late, but now you guys know why. It's because I worked 6 days a week. And a big thank you to you guys for wishing Ziggy and myself a happy anniversary. I cannot believe it's year 3. Like, it is insane how time flies. It's so crazy, but we're so thankful and we're so grateful for all the support that we continue to get. Really amazing. You guys are literally the best. Yeah, so big up your guys' self. I'm gonna tune back into this and order my food, and I'll check back in with you guys in a bit. They're up there doing? I watched mine too, so what? Earlier check. The hell, put your hand in my food. Just came off the road. We have Chef Ziggy in the kitchen, but he doesn't want me to catch you guys. He doesn't want me to catch him cooking, I should say. Yes, Chef. Yes, Chef. So Ziggy is checking up some red peas. The one thing that sucks is the canned peas is not as red. You notice that? I'm washing my hands because I literally just came inside. Just came off the road from buying some groceries. And today was actually the first day Ziggy, no, I lied, it's not the first day. It's not the first time, Z, that we've both been home like the same day. Actually, he was on his way to work, but then the car was giving him problems, so now he's here. Ziggy's making soup, as I said, and I bought some groceries I'm about to pack out after I eat. Yes, I got food to eat before the soup. Just eat the soup later. I work tomorrow, so I gotta pack up my snacks and all that stuff, and then I'm doing laundry too. Sir. What's up? I have some in the washer. Yeah. So chef, how's the soup going there, buddy? You don't know? So Nala's at daycare, and we were gonna drive to Niagara Falls today because it was like both of our day off. But like, we're feeling spontaneous, so we're like, let's go drive to Niagara Falls. But then we're just gonna go drive up there and come back down. But then we have to go bring his work done to get fixed. That kind of sets the plans, but whatever. You swear you can sing, yo.
I know. I don't swear I can sing. I wish I could sing.
When Shauna was pregnant, she would sing when Leah was in her belly, and I'd tell her you can't sing. Oh my god.
That's me just singing to my youth.
Shauna, you caught feelings when you were pregnant. Shauna, you were miserable. What? Oh my god. Shauna, it's so annoying. Anyways, and I told her she couldn't sing.
You watch these?
Ooh, man. Okay.
Yeah.
She asked Shauna if she wanted something?
Yeah. I want to be so good not eat my bread and not soap. A or B, Nisha, you have to drink it. A or B, pick one, pick.
No.
A or B.
A.
No, I'm not feeling.
Is there razors? Can I get one? Please?
Whoa.
Please, Shauna.
Whoa.
Where you get those from?
I can't find none of my stuff since I'm
Where you get
rude.
those from?
Where? You look your paper. It's my razor. Would I take up somebody's something and I walk around so confidently?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know I'm not arguing.
No, I was joking. Please. Pink one. It's okay, I'm eating.
Nisha.
It's not cute. Huh? I'm trying to bless my hair.
Oh, how I love your name, Jesus.
Yo, where's all the fries for real?
So I said it's like literally 8 pieces of
I love
bread.
your name, Jesus.
I'm a grown woman, man. You know.
It's the sweetest name. I know. Oh, how I love your name, Jesus.
My turn, my turn.
Shauna, you can't tell Shauna she can't
Oh,
sing.
how I love your name, Jesus, Jesus.
Okay, Kelly Rowland.
Jesus, Jesus.
That's what we always
Michelle.
Michelle. That's what we always used to name her, Michelle. Your chicken's here, Ziggy.
My turn.
You guys tried to make me Michelle because I was fat. But you ain't look like no fucking Beyonce.
What?
Can I try singing?
Okay, you try.
Badadan. Badadan.
We're doing Jesus stuff right now.
Okay, go with your Jesus
Keisha's singing.
stuff. Oh, go Keisha. Keisha swears she could sing too. Keisha wanted to put these certain lights in the shower so that when she's in there she feel like she's at a concert or something like it was.
LED lights in the shower. Why not? Why not? Sorry.
What? How would you want LED lights in the shower?
Because it's already a concert and I want to get the full effect.
Girl said it's already a concert.
Can you guys take out Keisha looks like Boy Meets World?
Can you leave me alone?
She's so wicked.
Which piece, man?
So you guys
Liking
really
this.
didn't get me nothing?
You said you didn't want nothing.
Keisha said I'm ordering from Popeyes. That's not do you want some?
I said, I'm going to talk about do you want anything what I said.
Nah, G.
You slut. You must listen.
You want this?
Yeah.
Want
That's
this?
rude. You could have looked for good girl and get them bone.
Oh, you're a good gal?
I can sing that for real.
Here you go.
Everybody tried their
I'm
hardest.
eating.
Married woman. So yo, can you guys see me because I need to bought a piece of yam. Ziggy, you cut yam right?
Yam.
Bought this little piece of yam. Literally it was like this big and it was $6. Even the cashier's like, what the heck? This is so expensive. Anyways, bought this bread. This bread is really good. Okay?
No, it's not.
$4 for this little piece of bread thing. Why? This bread is good. It has raisins in it. I love
I
it.
don't like raisins. The cinnamon one's better.
When we were little, Mama used to buy, you know the little pack of red raisins? You wouldn't even know
Yeah,
that.
I do. It's the same brand. I remember we paid for those. And if I knew you were going to go shop, I could give you my discount card. I thought you were getting a piece of yam. It took so freaking long.
And then I got me some Shirley biscuits for snack. These are so good. They're coconut. Like literally, this is the best one. I don't care what nobody says. These are the best ones. These spicy soup. I doubt I'm gonna bring these to work. Doubt it. Then I got me some mangoes, cut up mangoes to bring. pox. Oh, no, this is very big.
Well, that one has cut up mangoes. They're better
Daddy
than
has
ours.
this one joke with these. Remember chess? When you what?
You want cut in there too?
Yeah. Then I pick up bear
I didn't know
jokes.
they have packs too.
Yeah.
But it's like
This, even this jack mackerel. Actually, you haven't seen this in so long, right? Because usually we buy the. You ever seen me eat this?
yeah, it's cool.
I know, and I love mackerel. Yo, if you're Jamaican and you say you do not like tin mackerel or DUTTY GYAL food, no, something's seriously wrong with you because tin mackerel is literally the ish.
Flash out.
I loved it. And corned beef. Some girl made a post saying how she don't eat tin mackerel and all this stuff. I'm like, what's wrong with tin mackerel? We got some coconut water. Fake coconut water. I got like 7 of these because for some reason someone always drinks them all. And of course I picked up my pepper. Because what's food without grace pepper? I got some beets because I'm gonna make some beet juice. Got me 3 mangoes that I'm gonna cut up eventually. Some raspberries. These were actually on sale today. I was so surprised. And I got some pepper, some grapes, and of course my ginger. A lot of ginger for my juice because I love when I make my natural juice. I have ginger. And that's basically my grocery haul. My quick mini grocery haul for today. Yeah. When I was in Jamaica and I was pregnant, and all I could eat was ackee, okay? So one of my friends, Kelly, she was also pregnant. And I remember one day I was telling her, no, I think Ziggy and Shane went to go pick ackee for us. And then they were sitting on the veranda. I was telling her, like, in Canada we have ackee in the can. So we have this brand and we have the Grace brand. Usually we buy the Grace brand, but sometimes it's like really expensive. But anyways, she said she will never ever eat ackee in can. So Ziggy, I need you to answer this. Is there a difference with tree ackee and tin ackee?
Yeah.
Because to me, I don't feel like there's a big difference. I feel like it tastes the same, to be honest. But Ziggy said he feels like tin ackee is hard. Is that what you said?
Tin ackee hard, no?
What did you say? What was wrong with
That
it?
is soft.
So this is too soft?
Yeah.
That's
It
the
is.
problem? Okay, so now take this in. I think this is very disrespectful. They have kalaloo in can. And then they name it, first of all, it's Jamaican kalaloo. So this is in water right now. How? I don't mind the ackee, but this one? That you tried this one? The kalaloo in the can.
Long time ago, but I'm not really fond of it.
See? So there, Daddy just answered that one. Because usually we don't buy kalaloo in the can. Usually we buy it like in the bunch and we just cut it up. But I was shocked to see this on the counter. Someone was asking me how do I make my beetroot juice. And I swear I filmed this before. Or maybe I filmed the cucumber one. Anyways,
There's no
this
difference.
is how I make my natural juice. There's no, like, everything is all the same. So I have my beetroot. Since I'm making beetroot today, I literally just cut this up. And then I have my ginger. You can never put too much ginger, as my dad says. He literally loves when it's like burning. So I'm gonna use like about this much of ginger. Maybe not.
Wait, can you use the whole thing?
It's gonna be too hot.
No.
Okay, fine. I'm gonna use the whole ginger. So literally, I just peel all this and dump it in the blender, and then I just blend it. I add a little bit of water and I blend it. Actually, not a little bit of water. I add as much as I'm making. Sometimes I do use like 2 beetroot, but since it's just mainly me drinking it, and probably my dad and Ziggy, because no one in the house really likes beetroot, because it has like that. It's like a grassy, earthy taste. I said it has a lot of iron in it. It's good and good for the blood. So anyways, yeah, as I was saying, I just blend this and I add water to it, and I do add a little bit of sugar, but I use brown sugar over white sugar. Sometimes I do like to use white sugar, but I mainly use brown sugar, and I only use a little bit. I try not to make it too sweet, because I mean it kind of defeats the whole purpose of it being a healthy drink. But if you're someone who can't really handle like that natural no sugar taste, add a little bit of brown sugar. I use light brown sugar, and then I just strain it. As I'm pouring it, I strain it. Then I put whatever, you guys will see basically. You guys will basically see. Let me just, wait. What I was saying, so I blended it and then I used my strainer to strain it, So all of this I put back in here, and then I'm just gonna add a little bit more water onto it to make like another batch. So there, I just added a little bit more water. Make sure you don't do this. Take this out first.
That's the iron. Extra iron.
I know. That's the way. Just blend. You can say hi.
Hi.
Say what's up, guys.
Okay.
Don't drop it, please.
It's here. It's over here now.
Remember when I was telling you about Petite Sue and her sister's oil, Divinity Glam Growth Oil? Guys, this is literally the best thing. I'm sorry, I have to mention it again. This is not a paid promo or nothing, but it's amazing. I literally just use this little Doppler thing that I have. I pick up some of the oil. Really just apply it to my scalp and then just massage it. Literally the best oil right now. I don't care what nobody says. Make up my friend. So guys, it's about that time. It is now 9:46. So before I go to bed, I've actually been reading this Too Blessed to Be Stressed 3-minute devotions for women, and it's so funny because I was about to buy a prayer journal, and this was actually sent to me in a box with products that I got from a company. It was this company, Zoto's All About Zoto's Professional. They actually sent me a box with a whole bunch of products, and this book was in there, and I was like, yo, I was just about to order one. So I'm gonna make it a habit to do both of these together before bed. I highly recommend that you guys get a prayer journal. I actually got one for Shauna and my other friend for Christmas. They're super affordable on Amazon. It's just something nice to do, like, you know, it doesn't have to be before bedtime. I just chose to do it before bedtime, but like anytime you choose to do it. This is a daily gratitude. This is how it looks on the inside. Really simple, super easy as well. I think the one Shauna has, there's like a scripture and like lessons or something like that, but this one does have a different like quotes and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm gonna use this, but I'm still gonna get a prayer journal because this one's just a daily gratitude journal. So as you guys can hear, the lullaby is playing. Nyla is sleeping. I'm about to head to bed. Ziggy's downstairs. Yeah, I'm gonna head to bed because, well, not head to bed, but I'm gonna prepare to go to bed because I got work in the morning and I'm doing a 12-hour. And my friend was actually just telling me that it's been crazy busy, so I want to make sure that I'm getting enough sleep because the other day I was so tired. I was like completely tired. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Make sure you guys subscribe to our channel. If you're new here, subscribe here, as Ziggy says, and stay here. Something like that he says. But yeah, big up your guys' self as per usual, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
You know, see how we alone. Look how hard we try. Nobody here we cry. Them not care for you, we alone.